Ever wondered how a heat wave can turn a sunny day into a health hazard? Well, a heat wave isn't just about the mercury rising, it's an extended period of excessively hot weather, which may be accompanied by high humidity, and it's quite different from your average summer day. Heat waves can pack a punch, posing serious health risks. From heat exhaustion and dehydration to the more severe heat stroke, these are real threats that can be potentially life-threatening. Each of these conditions is a response to the body overheating, and they can occur as the body struggles to cope with the intense heat. Now let's talk about climate change. It's not just about polar bears and melting ice caps. It's right here, increasing the frequency and severity of heat waves. These aren't isolated incidents anymore. They're becoming a part and parcel of our changing climate. Understanding the danger of heat waves can help us prepare better and stay safe. Now that we know the risks, how can we protect ourselves and our loved ones during a heat wave? Let's start with something we've heard time and time again: hydration. It's crucial to drink plenty of water during a heat wave. In fact, you should aim to drink more than your thirst demands. This is because our bodies can lose fluids rapidly in high temperatures, leading to dehydration. And let's not forget about electrolytes, our body's much-needed minerals. Replenishing them is as important as drinking water, so consider beverages like coconut water or sports drinks in moderation. Next, it's wise to avoid strenuous outdoor activities during the peak heat hours, typically between 11 in the morning and 3 in the afternoon. If you must be outdoors, try to stay in the shade as much as possible. And remember, if you're feeling dizzy, fatigued, or nauseous, it's time to head inside and cool down. Now let's talk attire. Wearing light-colored and loose-fitting clothing can help your body maintain its normal temperature. Natural fabrics like cotton are your best bet as they allow your skin to breathe. Pair this with a wide-brimmed hat to protect your face and neck from the sun. And who can forget about sunscreen? Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen of at least SPF 30, even on cloudy days. The sun's UV rays can penetrate the clouds and cause skin damage. Lastly, it's essential to check on those who are most vulnerable during a heat wave. This includes the elderly, young children, and pets. Make sure they're staying hydrated and cool. Remember, they might not realize they're overheating until it's too late. It's also worth mentioning that if you have a chronic medical condition or take medication, you should consult your doctor about additional precautions to take during a heat wave. They can provide guidance tailored to your specific needs. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. These simple steps can make a big difference in ensuring your safety during a heat wave. So, what are the key points to remember when it comes to staying safe during a heat wave? Let's go over them one more time to make sure they're etched in our minds. Firstly, hydration is crucial. Make it a habit to drink plenty of water and replenish your body's fluid levels regularly. Remember, thirst isn't a good indicator of hydration. By the time you're thirsty, you may already be dehydrated. Secondly, it's best to avoid the peak heat hours, typically between 11 in the morning and 3 in the afternoon. This is when the sun's rays are most intense and can cause the most harm. Thirdly, dress appropriately. Opt for light-colored and loose-fitting clothing to reflect heat and allow your body to cool down. Lastly, don't forget about those who are most vulnerable, the elderly, infants, and those with chronic illnesses. Check on them regularly to ensure they're coping well. With these tips in mind, you're well equipped to stay safe and healthy during the next heat wave. Heat waves are a serious matter, but they shouldn't ruin your summer. The joy of the sun's warmth can be marred by the dangers of a heat wave. But with the right knowledge and precautions, we can all stay safe and enjoy the season. Let's not keep this essential information to ourselves. Let's make it our mission to spread the word. Share this video with your friends, your family, your colleagues. Let's ensure that everyone in our circle knows how to keep cool when the temperatures rise, how to stay hydrated, and how to recognize the signs of heat-related illnesses. We've shared practical tips and outlined measures to ensure your safety during a heat wave. It's now up to you to follow these guidelines. Don't just watch and forget, act on the advice given. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay safe, and enjoy your summer responsibly. Let's make this a summer to remember for all the right reasons.